You can create a retargeting audience in the audience library. Navigate to the audience library and click retargeting audience. Go ahead and name your audience. Use the search box to select the campaign that you would like the ad serving data to come from. The resulting audience will only contain served devices. You can also select the line item in which you would like to pull the ad serving data from for your retargeting audience. The resulting audience will only contain served devices in this specific line item. This setting is optional. Select the look back window in which you'd like to pull ad serving data up to 90 days. Select the event type, impressions or clicks, that you want to use for retargeting. Select the audience type, mobile, desktop CTV, or both. If you choose both, 2 retargeting audiences will appear in your audience library. Select optional audience extensions to be added to your retargeting audience, including household, lookalike, or social. This setting is optional. Go ahead and save and create. The retargeting audiences you've created based on your selections will appear in the audience library.